What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are back at one of my favorite shops, Mo's Speed Shop. Today is the meet and greet, so let's do this. This is one of my most favorite things to do, is get out and meet new people and see new cars and do cool like car stuff. And there's nothing cooler than hanging out with the guys here at Mo's Speed Shop. I mean, just look at some of the badass stuff here. I mean, just, yeah, we've got Marauders here with Whipples, and we got old school Camaros and Vets and Capris and wagons and Coyote swapped Chevy trucks. I mean, this is the place to be, guys. I'm telling you, and if you missed out on this, make sure you hit the next one. All right, boys, so I know you guys remember this car from last time we were here. As you can see, Jeffrey found him some very, very nice stern wheels, which, how you found those, I still don't know.
Keith bought them from our buddy Chico, and I think after the $7 comment on the Summit wheels, he had to do something.
So the underhood looks completely different. Like,
we cleaned everything up.
Wow.
It was a home install that we just went back through and straightened it out and put it had a F-150 motor in it. We put a real Mustang engine in it. So
okay, so you swapped the engine and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. Man, this thing's got to be just pure evil.
It's a pretty car. Yeah, we'll be tuning it this week, so you'll get the numbers.
See,
so
I should have waited a week. That way I could have seen the dyno.
It's all good. It's all good. You can come back and we'll go for a ride.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm down with that for sure. All right, boys, and also in the shop, I mean, what do you even say to this? This is Terry Weedman's Saleen SSC, and you can see intake is signed. Sorry for the shadow. Supercharged. This is number 32, 89, number 32. Just guys, I'm telling you, you just, like, the video does not do it justice. This car is just gorgeous. Very, very rare, very, very desirable car. You can see in the back here, something that I've always liked with the SSCs is how they did the back seats. Just super cool. And of course the fronts, just absolutely amazing car. All right, guys, so everybody's starting to kind of file in here, but this is Anthony and his father's car. What's
Tony.
Tony. Okay, so Tony and Anthony. And so, all right, Anthony, yours is a 87, and then yours 89. You bought yours brand new. That is amazing.
32 years ago.
Yeah, so it's never going anywhere, right?
No, never going anywhere.
And this car right here, this is the one that's really hurting my feelings, because, you know, clearly my car is, you know, original paint, and man, this thing, just amazing. And we get to see under the hood too.
Oh yeah.
Got the classic pony R's on it, or excuse me, those are just the standard ponies. Looking good, very clean. Got it all detailed out. Fantastic. Oh, okay.
And we pulled the engine out and resealed it and all.
Very nice. Man, you guys.
Old school here with a power dyne.
Yes, sir. Don't see many of those. You guys like them clean, don't you?
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right, boys, so real quick, clearly Mo's Speed Shop does a little bit of everything, but this 50 Ford Custom is just blowing my mind here. Yeah, that's just a little 302. You can see it's got Fox valve covers on there, but this car is just blowing my mind. Absolutely love it. Even the interior is just unreal. Just unreal. It's just awesome day out here. It's nice and warm today, isn't it? Yeah, nice and warm. Hey, you got something under your nose there. No, just kidding. Just kidding. But guys, oh my God. And then of course, LS swapped Malibu with a, this is a Whipple. I thought it was going to be a Magnuson, but it is a Whipple. So clearly that's a beast. Mercury wagon, I'm not sure on the year, but it is Terminator swapped and on airbags. Just unreal. And then of course my favorite, the Coyote swapped Chevrolet truck. So we're just twisting that dagger on you LS swappers. No, I'm just kidding. I love all cars. And No, I'm not really a Camaro guy, but this thing is freaking beautiful. Beautiful build. Looks like an LS1 in there. Just beautiful job. Interior's clean. Super cool, but filling up. They're gonna be cooking right here, and then I just got cars for days. We're out of room already, and it's hadn't even been going an hour. All right, boys, so they're starting to file in. We're gonna start some new rows here because we're running out of space already, but yeah, cold or not, it's gonna be a really good day. Really good day. And just had these two beautiful cars show up. Just amazing. Guys, you gotta tell me about these cars here. Obviously 89 SSC right here. And then this thing.
This is a 93 Fox body that we've had for, how long have we had this car?
21 years.
21
Wow.
years.
Amazing. Wow.
Stock engine, just a supercharger, that's it.
Just a little supercharger.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, look at that thing. Yeah, he's making some noise too. But very, very nice. Absolutely beautiful. And tell me about on the hood of this one.
This is just a stock bottom end with Edelbrock heads, trick
Okay.
plug cam, and a V2 supercharger.
Very nice. Absolutely amazing. What was your name?
Joe.
Joe?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Joe. I'm Caleb. And you? John, nice to meet you guys. Thank you guys for coming and bringing these cars. Amazing. So we are here with Derek, and Derek actually drove 2 hours.
Yep, 2 hours.
In this beast, and of course Derek is one of the Elite 500 and has a very, very nice car. Derek, this thing looks serious, dude. What we got? What we working with here?
Just a little Boss Block 363, trick flow heads, little small baby turbo. And,
Just a little one, right?
yeah, and Hogan sheet metal upper, trick flow lower.
Amazing, dude. And the detail just like under the hood is amazing. And you've got the full interior done, and wow. Absolutely. Now, is that a Florida 5.0
Yep,
cluster?
it is.
Okay. And then you got the shift light mounted
Yep,
right
it
there.
is.
Dude, you got detail everywhere. Amazing car. Very nice. All right, guys, so you just saw Chris's, it's an 84 Capri, beautiful restoration, and just did 245, 262 torque. And tell me a little bit, like, what's done to the engine.
Sure. So it's a Beauport 2.1 cam with a stage 3 head, forged lower. It's got a Bob's log header, a Garrett stage 3 2.3 T3 T4 hybrid,
Very nice.
3-inch all the way back. It's got a Pimp X. In fact, we're just looking at the graph
At the
from
log
the
there.
data login, and it's a lot of fun. It's one of 1,223 because this is a rare car for Mercury those years.
Beautiful restoration, too. I mean, the car looks brand new. I mean, just amazing. And you don't see them like this either. So had to get you on the video, dude. The car is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful job. All right, guys, so we got a little 363 action here on the dyno. Did a motor pull real quick. Did 423.55. Now we're gonna spray it. Marty, what do you think of this meet and greet stuff? It's pretty cool, right?
Doing real good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Dude, this is
Appreciate
awesome. So I'm loving it. I mean, what better way to spend a Saturday?
There's no better way than this.
I mean, we could be at home watching TV.
What's a TV?
Exactly. We'll see how much we're gonna spray here. All right, Jeff, how much are we gonna spray?
200.
200, okay. So this should be fun. What transmission's in the car?
It's Power Glide.
Power Glide, okay. Power Glide 363, 200 shot. About to make a little bit of noise on the dyno, boys. 153.
It's just a nitrous motor.
Good God. All right, guys, so we're here with Trent Hall. TJ, Trent. Okay, see, I told you. I just got through telling him I was terrible with names. Okay, so 97 up, clearly.
Yes, sir.
And the word is you built this in your garage.
I did, yes, sir. I did.
Okay. Heads cam.
It's got trick flow 170 heads, and it's got a comp 274 cam in it,
Okay.
and it has the Elderbrock intake,
Elderbrock intake.
24-pound injectors, Anderson
Nice.
power pipe,
Very nice.
and the MSD. It's got stock T5 in it, which is not happy right now.
Yeah, I'm sure.
And
Yeah.
it's got 355 gears in it. But yeah, I bought the car about 4 years ago. Didn't realize what a 7-Up was till after I bought it.
Right.
And found out what it was, but come across a good deal on heads, and it snowballed from there.
There you go. Very nice. All right, Jeff, that sounded like a little better.
A little better. 306.
Very nice.
Hey! It made the cubic inch. That's what I was
Got 306.
306 made
Solid. And this car is untuned, so
Yeah.
once she gets tuned, it's going to be a really fun little car.
320 horse. Got a pretty good little driveline vibration.
Yeah. It kind of stumbled a little bit off the hit too. Guys, this is a basically stock headed original 302 with a cam and an intake. Super nice little car though. All right, Jeff, are we on full kill here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're 1,000 horsepower and race gas?
Something like that.
Something? Are you afraid? All right, guys, here we go. Demon. Get out of everybody's way here. What does a Demon on race gas make? You're about to find out. Impressive. All right, what we got, Marty? 765. 765, 780 torque. Not bad. Oh, 764, 780. Very nice. That sounded good.
383, 410.
383, 410. 383, 410. What's the combo in it, Jeff?
408. He's right there. They got it on the front.
This your car? Okay, what's in it?
351 Windsor with a 4-8 stroker kit in it.
408 stroker. Very nice. What kind of heads?
Aluminum, not manufactured.
Okay.
Did better last time. Yeah.
Very nice. 383, 410. Man, the torque's unreal. So what we got here? 389, 438. That sounded strong. Yeah, loud and strong.
608.
Oh, very nice. 608 504.
Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip. This. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep. No rest. Might crash. Might wreck. But first die. Stretch. Tell them run it up. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down now. Check. No drip. This. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first die. Stretch. Tell them run it. 9 out of 10, roll through my hands. I'm by my lonely.
Guys, we're wrapping up, and my buddy Aaron showed up. Dude, good to finally meet you. We talk all the time, you know, we're just like cut from the same cloth, but glad to get you out here. One of these days I'll get to see the car, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's been a busy day. So if you like doing stuff like this, because I do, because other than that we'd be at home watching TV, and I don't want to do that. So please give me a big thumbs up, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I got the sun in my eyes. Later, guys.